So at Savers, we bought this right here. We have vintage or retro tee. We have a Slipknot tee right there. Pros, pretty nice. This is about a $60 shoe. It's about $8.50 out the door. And I think we can move this thing for about $100. And yeah, we picked them up for $10 at the garage sale. We were all there, my whole family. Okay, we have 125 cash. There's the bike right there. How's it going? Okay, there it is. Bonafide Hustler here. New vlog starts immediately. Buying and reselling things. See what we can get ourselves into. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the outside of somebody random in their house and everything. And I just picked up a Facebook Marketplace bike for 35 bucks that I think I can resell for $250. In fact, this vlog is going to start off with a couple bikes. I'm going to show you some really cool things when I get home that we picked up recently. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. If you enjoy these vlogs, hit the like button, put a comment down below. I always respond to the comments in day one. All right, all of them. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. I'm the Bonafide Hustler, and for over 2 decades, I've been buying and reselling things on the side. And I really like doing this. It's a lot of fun, and it's a great way to make some extra money. So if you follow this channel, you're gonna figure out like all these cool things to buy and resell. Also, don't forget to get the free money making guide. It's the first link down below. This will get you 50 items already that you can start learning right now to buy and resell that are predominantly used and found at thrift stores and garage sales. Go check it out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. I make stories and stuff like that too. Let's go home and show you the rest of the stuff. Cold here in Austin, Texas, but here are the bikes that I wanted to show you. So we'll have a closer look at the one I just picked up, and then we'll also show you a really cool one that I picked up for $200, no, actually $175 the other day. I think it's going to sell between like $800 and $900. So here's the one we just picked up right here for $35. I just aired up the tires, put a little WD-40 in this shifter right here. Everything's working super good. Wiped down the frame. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to list this one for around $280. It's a Specialized Hard Rock women's bike sport. Pretty cool bike. For $175 the other day, picked up this bike. Now, this is a Specialized Diverge. This is a pretty awesome bike. It's a gravel bike, and this is a 48 centimeter for a short lady, basically. Full Claris drivetrain, disc brakes. Yeah, it's in really good condition. I mean, super good condition, less than 10 rides. It was $175 the other day. It's some big cheddar. But honestly, in 30 minutes, I have a person coming check out a bike that I bought for $200. Then I did a $100 suspension job on it. I give it to my friend to do the suspension work. And then I think I have someone to come check it out for $950. And that's this bike over here. Let's go check it out. This is a Trek Fuel EX7 that I picked up about a month ago. And it was listed at $240. Ended up talking the guy down to, I think, $200. And this bike is super cool. That's what needed to be serviced, because it wasn't working properly. But yeah, this bike's awesome. I put some new grips on it, or some different grips, cleaned it all up. And this is a full suspension mountain bike with a PNW dropper post. So it's got some cool extras on it. And this one I listed for $1,000, and then recently bumped it down to $950. And we have a buyer that's going to come check it out, or at least a prospective buyer. We don't know yet. He might talk me down to like $900 or $850, but still, I'm $300 into it. We'll see. I really don't want him to talk me down, but you never know. All right, looks like the person's coming down the cul-de-sac. Maybe we can get this bike sold. Okay, we're at the next day, and I think I showed it on this vlog, but this Specialized Diverge bike that I picked up, when did I pick this thing up? About 6 days ago for $175. I think the asking price was like $300 or something like that. I offered $175, person took it. So I ended up with this Specialized Diverge bike and listed it for $1,000. I'm really hoping for like $800 or so. And there's someone that is coming for $850. So, yeah, $850 cash for this bike right here. I'll show you. And yeah, here's the Specialized Diverge bike right here. It's 2018. It's called a Diverge E5, and it's a women's gravel bike. Pretty cool. It's got disc brakes in the back. It's a really nice bike, actually, in very good condition. We can see just the tires are in super good condition. It's only been ridden like less than 10 times, what the guy said. So it's in really cool shape. Okay, I think we have the person, and the person's here. Let's get this bike sold. This will be some good profit if we can get it done right. We'll see. Well, that took no time at all. We have $850 cash right here. So we made like $675 on that bike. That was huge. That's a super bikes to bucks flip. Oh my gosh. We're at the next day, and we're gonna be going to a flea market in Kyle, Texas, which is about 30 minutes away from the house. But before we go there, we went to a garage sale. Didn't pan out very well, some high prices. But we also are gonna sell, I think, something that's in a box right now and have to get it out of there. Some exotic boots that I'm into for like 80 bucks. So yeah, here they are right here. These are Tony Llama Python boots. I'm into them for 80 bucks. I'm asking 240 locally. We'll see if someone buys them. They're also listed on eBay for around 275 or so. But we're gonna get these things sold hopefully locally. They're size 12. They are my size. They are really cool. and they're sitting in the plastic that I just pulled out of the eBay box, which is sitting like right there. You can kind of see in the background. Let's see if we can get these things sold. And then we're gonna go to a flea market. Looks like the person's here. Let's get them sold if we can. All right, so I took a $200 Venmo. He talked me down a little bit, but it's okay. I really don't want to be sitting and keeping those boots in my house for a while. So it's time to get them off the eBay listing, and we're gonna go to a flea market right now. Okay, there's a lot of wind, but we're at the Kyle Flea Market. We're gonna see if we can find any deals. Those spawn clouds in the back. Okay, how much is that? 5 or 7. So we looked hard at the Kyle Flea Market, and the only thing that we got was this lampshade right here. And I say only, it's a pretty good score. It was $5. It's a Moroccan hide lampshade, and I think that we can move that in the booth for around $100 to maybe $200. And yes, it's windy outside, so my hair's all tossed up. Sorry, but that's what's sitting back there. Decent find, but you know, it is a cold and windy day, and there weren't many vendors, as you can see in the footage. But it was worth going out there and checking it out. Okay, we caught a listing for a full suspension Specialized. We're gonna see if we can pick it up. All right, what's up, man? Okay, we got this Specialized XC Pro full suspension mountain bike. It does need a little bit of work. We got it for $100, and I think we can get this thing sold for like $400 to $450 in peak season. So yeah, I'm gonna pull off some parts too that are really good, but do a little bit of work on it. It should be a good bike. All right, a couple cool things have sold on eBay. In fact, there were a couple cool things a couple of days ago that sold on eBay. I'll try to let you guys know about that later. We got a Toomey bag in here. I think I'm only like $10 into this. It sold for $70. It is a cool, I don't know if it's a T-Pass or whatever, but it is a interesting kind of Toomey bag that's a little bit harder to find. So I'll flash a picture right here. You can go check it out. And yeah, no more than $10 into that one. And then these holographic WWE cups, right? We got the Stone Cold Steve Austin in there. We have, I think, a John Cena one. We have a Rock one right here. Now, these aren't terribly collectible, but I sold them for $27, and we found them at a parking lot sale about 2 vlogs ago, maybe 3 vlogs ago. They're pretty cool. $27, took an offer from a $40 asking price. I'll do that right there. It's gonna be super light, not even a pound, and we're gonna put it in this box right here with some padding. Looks perfect. Let me see, is that shut? It's pretty good. All right, this is gonna be where these cups land, and we're gonna get these things shipped out. Same day, and caught a Facebook Marketplace ad for this Specialized Dolce road bike. It's in really good condition. Now, Specialized Dolce is a female road bike typically. This is a 52 centimeters, so it's kind of like a medium, really good condition, full Ultegra drivetrain, which is a good Shimano trim level, should I say, when it comes to the drivetrain. The lady says it needs new tires and all that kind of stuff. Now, usually when these bikes are in really good condition or they come from a good neighborhood and they say they need new tires or new tubes, pretty much what that means is that the bike just needs air. Because the tires look perfectly fine. We also got a Cyclops bike trainer that's in the car right now. Probably worth like $50. But yeah, this road bike right here, it's in great condition, and it also has a carbon fork, which is cool. We're thinking that the resale on this thing is probably around $300 to $400 in about 2 weeks when the weather starts turning real good. But we had to get it, and yeah, it was only $60, talked down from $65. Really not a whole talk down, but in order to get this bike, because I knew I had to get it, we offered just $60, and we got all this stuff, which is cool. That's a good bikes to bucks. Okay, we're gonna end this vlog pretty soon, but you know, I gotta let you know about the bag attack that happened. And one sold today. This one's a Coach Mini Charlie. This was found at a garage sale for around $5. It was listed for $75. Someone offered me $50 this morning. I just took it. This has been in my inventory for probably like 5 months or so. So we're gonna get that thing moved out for sure. We also sold something that I found at the bins about 2.5 weeks ago. This is a Sage fly fishing bag. You might have seen it on a previous vlog. I'm probably $4 into this thing, sold for 70 on offer, maybe from 100 or 80. I'm not sure. Anyway, this thing really got sent off some days ago. And the other thing I sold, not a huge deal, but at the same time I found that Sage bag, I found these Dauphin signature model Zach Noyle fins with the leash savers. This was $4. I found these at the bins, just like with the Sage bag, and these things sold for $75, which is crazy because they're listed new for $75, but they're just out of stock. So I think this is the reason why the person bought them from me. You got some great finds, and I would really appreciate it if you put a comment down below. I love reading the comments on day one, and I'll respond to every single one of them, like I said earlier in the vlog. And I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.